Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, again, we're in November. I have another seed order here. This one here I placed back in October. So, we're going to go over this one here. I love the Colossus Blotch Mixed Pansies. One of my favorite pansies to grow. I love that variety there. And I also got a single tricolor pansy. This one here is another one that I love the colors to it. I got 3 packs of the Colossus Blotch Mix Pansy, and then I got one of the Colossus Tricolor Pansy. And I honestly didn't get enough of these, so I'm going to have to be placing another order to get more of these seeds. Love straw flowers. We have the Scarlet Choice Double, we have the Bright Rose, the Swiss Giants Mix, and the White Choice Double. All of these I've grown for years. I really like them, so we're going to be going back with those again. And I got some new things to try. I got, okay, we do have the Summer Berries Yarrow. I've grown that one before. Beautiful colors. I have that, growing right now. That comes in cherry red, pink, apricot, and white. And this is a different type of a foliage than this one here. These two here are going to be brand new. This is a Cloth of Gold Fernleaf Yarrow, and it's supposed to be beautiful yellow flowers on it. So I'm hoping that this one here is going to grow more than my Parker's Yellow Yarrow. So I'm hoping to get a lot more blooms off of this one. It's supposed to have a much longer bloom time to it. So it's supposed to bloom from early summer until frost. So I'm really, really hoping that this one's going to do and bloom how I need it to. And then we're going to be going with the Oklahoma Formula Mix Zinnia. I've never grown this variety before that I can remember. I've grown a lot of different types of zinnias over the years, but I wanted to give this one here a try. This comes in carmine, salmon, scarlet, pink, white, and yellow. So the reason why I chose this one here is because it's supposed to be really disease resistant and powdery mildew resistant. We have a lot of issues with powdery mildew on our zinnias, so I'm really hoping that this mix here is going to solve that issue. So the Oklahoma formula was supposed to be really good with disease resistance, so I'm really hoping that it is. So I do have videos on my channel for how to start pansies from seed. I have videos on my channel for how to start yarrow from seed, straw flowers from seed, and I do have videos on my channel for how to start zinnias from seed. So heard a lot of really good things about the Oklahoma zinnia, so I'm really hoping that it's going to solve the powdery mildew issue. I honestly thought that being that we're on the mountaintop, we wouldn't have had issues with the powdery mildew, but we still do. Even stuff that's not like overcrowded, it has plenty of airflow to it, we still get issues with powdery mildew. We do get, like the rain and different things, but I have really high hopes for this variety, so we'll see how it does. I'll come back next year and talk to you about the variety, and I'll show you it growing, and we'll see how it does. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.